Okay, question number 2 asks, is a man who has long eyelashes, big L, so he is a dominant homozygous, marries a woman who has long eyelashes, big L, little l, so she is heterozygous. What are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of their children? So in this question, you're going to work the Punnett square. So you're going to take that big L, and big L, little l. So I'm going to take the dominant homozygous, and I'm going to take the heterozygous. Remember when dealing with the Punnett square, we want to make sure that we keep the genotypes together. It does not matter whether you put them on the top or on the side, but they have to remain together. So this big L is one genotype, so it's together, and the heterozygous one, big L, little l, is together on the side. Okay, so that's super important that you make sure of that. So when we work out this Punnett square, that big L is going to move over to the right and then move the other one over to the right. We're going to move the top big L down here and down here. We're going to move this top big L to this box and to this box, and then we're going to move the little l over and over. So now you should be able to determine what would be the possible genotype, so what are the possible letter combinations of the offspring, and then what are the phenotypes? So what would that big L look like? What would the big L, little l look like? So that would be the answer to your question. Okay, good luck.